So today I'm going to show you some of the benefits of using tomato cages in your garden for your tomatoes. So let's go together and let's get this done. So sometimes I do several different things, but today we're going to talk about tomato cages. And I use them, to keep the tomatoes upright. But you'll notice I've got a lot of tomatoes in this bed, and I don't put in a tomato cage for every tomato. First of all, you can cut costs this way, and second of all, your whole bed isn't covered in tomato cages, which is awkward and hard to get at your tomatoes. So what I do is I put a tomato plant in the middle of the tomato cage, but then on the outside these tomatoes aren't in cages, and later I will just gently tie these outside tomatoes to this cage. So you're actually using this tomato cage for more than one plant. You've got one in the middle. You've got about 8 or 9 plants that are going to be benefited by this one tomato cage. So a great savings in cost, and it's less awkward in your garden. You don't want a bunch of tomato cages. It's hard to work around the plants. Tomato cages in your garden, one of my favorite things, and you have a great day.